In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone Notes disappeared. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is to make sure to open our notes, and from here let's go to the folders, and we should see all of our notes from here. So if you feel like there's something missing or some notes has disappeared, what you can do is go back, open your settings, go to your general settings, go to iPhone storage. Now from here, search for notes. Now you want to offload the app. So simply tap offload app and reinstall the app. Now you want to go back to your settings. Now go to your Apple ID and select iCloud. From here, scroll down. Let's just tap on show all first. Now scroll down and you need to find notes. So let's just find notes from here. Where did I? Apps using iCloud. So just show all. Oh, there, notes. So what you want to do is to sync this iPhone. Make sure that this is turned on. So if it's turned on, what you want to do is turn this off. Just cancel. Manage storage. Just make sure that it's always turned on. So if it's turned on, after reinstalling the app, your notes should go back and you can recover your notes. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.